बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching दिल से बातें 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. The Dishonest Merchant, complete moral story. In the market, a merchant would cheat his customers by weighing less on the scale. For a few extra coins, he sold his honesty and trust. People didn't notice at first, but one day, a wise customer checked the scale carefully and exposed the merchant's fraud in front of everyone. The villagers decided to boycott his shop. Thus, the merchant lost his reputation forever for the sake of temporary gain. Moral: dishonesty never lasts. Trust is worth more than gold. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.